Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a brand new video. So here we have a BMW X5 E70 series from 2009 or 10, I'm not sure. And the problem or the issue here is, as you can see, the headlights. They simply have been used for too many years, and this is the condition they're in. So we're going to try and save these wonderfully milky looking headlights. Now to do this, I will show you the procedure on how to remove the headlights from the E70. However, this is not a job of bumper removal, because this car's bumper is integrated with the side skirts. So they're all in one piece. Instead, you have to go underneath and remove the lining of the wheel well, this part right here. What I'm going to try to do is to do that without removing the wheel. And yeah, let's see what happens in this video. So, we have to start by removing this outer lining, which is held in by these plastic clips. So we have to remove all of these plastic clips right here. And then the plastic lining itself should be easy to remove. So let's begin removing the clips. Now just add some gentle manpower, pull, and yep, it just comes out like so. And it keeps coming out, and it's off, just like that, just some plastic clips. Now, what we have to do is continue removing the inner lining, which is held by metal screws. These are 8mm screws. There's some underneath, and for this job we'll have to turn the wheel in the opposite direction because there's some screws here, and there's one over here somewhere. I'm not pointing to it, but you can see it. So yes, let's do that. So, here we go. All the screws have been removed. Look at them here. There's screws and the plastic clips as well. Everything is in this corner. As you can see, all of them are 8mm except for this one. This is a 10mm bolt. And I will show you its location here. Let me just hurt myself a little bit trying to go between these metal parts. It's right here. See? Yeah, you take that out and then you're kind of rolling high. Now there's also, let's just remind ourselves, there's screws here, there are some here as well that you had to take out. You can see the hole here as well, one up there, and yeah, and basically one here, and all of these on the side. And then of course we had to go under the car, and we had a bunch of 8mm here. Here's two, here's one, I'm not pointing correctly, but there's three more on this side here as well. And basically, all we can do now is simply pull this off. Let's just add some gentle man touch. Yeah, oh, it's wiggling and it's out. It's out, that's it. That's all you had to do. So, let's move to the headlight. Now let's see all the screws that we have here on the inside. So there's one here that you have to kind of go under to get to, and this is a Torx screw, as you can see here. And there's one holding it on this side. Let me try to put this test lamp here. Yep, that's it, that's the one. Yep, and there's more. Oh, there's one up here, as you can see. And I think there might be more under the hood, but we'll see when we remove these screws first. So let's get to it. Well, there is a little screw here that I forgot to show you, or I haven't seen before. It's kind of hard to describe where exactly it is, and it's kind of blurred, but the blurred one, yeah, there we go, this is the one. So that's the fourth screw. Once you remove this, the headlight should, I repeat, should come out. So let's give that a try. Let's just push it in. Yep, there you go. The headlight is loose. Now all we have to do is kind of wiggle it out like so. Yeah, you know, this is a two-hand job, but my cameraman is myself, so it's a bit more difficult and complicated. But I think there's something else I need to do as well. So let me just do that and spare you the hassle. I had to remove the wheel. Turns out that the wheel is in fact a hindrance when it comes to removing the headlight, so we had to remove it. Now we simply pry it out like so. I'll do that expertly with one hand. Remember, if I can do it with one hand, you should be able to do it with two. And there we go, boys and girls. So now we will sand down this headlight, polish it a little bit, and I'll do that in a very sped up process. So let's begin with that and see what kind of a difference we will get after we put it back. Spinning with my Mirka all over the headlights, like so. Can you guess which paper I'm using here? It's probably some hard grit, isn't it? Yeah, let me show you. So here, right now, currently we're using the 800 dry sanding paper, 800 grit. Let's just continue. Yes, so what about now? Which one am I using now? The 1500 grit. So here we are. This headlight has been done from 220 grit all the way to 2000 grit, and this is the difference. This is what it used to look like, just like the other one here, and this is what we got. Wonderful, isn't it? So once we return the headlight, yeah, I'm pretty happy with what we got here. As you can see, there's a lot of clarity here. However, you will notice there's some dirt on the headlight, but that's not on it, it's actually inside. You have to remove this plastic bit, unglue it, clean it on the inside, but the customer didn't want that done in this instance, so I only done the outside of the headlights. So all I have to do is this one as well. But before I do that, I do have to return this wheel onto the car. But let's remind ourselves of the whole process that we had to do. So you have to start with removing the wheel. This is one thing I didn't do immediately, but trust me, it will be a lot easier and it is necessary. Removing these plastic clips will remove the outer plastic covering, and then removing all the other screws, which are mostly 8mm, except for one which is 10. So removing all of these will take the inner lining out, and then all you have is 4 screws holding the headlight. After you remove those, the headlight comes out. You just have to wiggle it out. Try to do it with 2 hands. I'm a professional, so I can do it with 1. So yes, so this was the video for today. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell icon as hard as you can. Let it be heard all the way. And until next time, do take care, boys and girls, and goodbye.